3 years ago, club decided to start a project, and that project is called Hospice and Palliative Care. We started this center called Sparsh Hospice. What we do here is we have a lot of patients in Hyderabad who are afflicted with cancer, and they are at the final stage of cancer. So these patients find it very difficult to get the right care in a hospital or at home environment. So hospice is a facility which is neither a home nor a hospital, but a lot of pain relief, psychological counseling, medical care is provided to such patients. We are running this center for the last 2 years completely free of cost. Whether it is food, medicines or medical care or nursing or the room, everything is completely free to the patients. And we have 12 beds right now. And we are expanding this facility to 40 beds in the next year, because there are almost 10,000 patients are suffering from cancer, terminal cancer in Hyderabad per year. So since this facility is not sufficient to cater to all these, many of these patients, we are trying to expand the facility. We are doing some fundraising programs. So every year we have an annual fundraiser. And this year we are doing a fundraiser with Veer Das, the History of India program written by Veer Das. It's an Ashwin Gidwani projection. It's a very high quality production. This is happening on 27th July at Shilpakala Vedika. All the donor passes, all the proceeds come towards in aid of Sparsh Hospice towards building a larger facility. Request all the viewers to support by attending this event. Sparsh Hospice is basically to provide. See, when someone is dying, someone is terminally ill, now he goes through, especially with cancer, he goes through a lot of pain, abandonment, and sometimes psychological depression, etc. This is a homely atmosphere, a center where the patient can stay along with his family members. And we provide not only the basic medical care, but also a lot of psychological counseling and pain relief. Pain is one of the biggest problems when it comes to cancer. And our doctors and our medical team is equipped to provide palliative care, which is basically a way of removing the pain from such patients. At present, in the last 1.5 years, we have more than 207 patients have been treated in Sparsh Hospice, and we have 12 beds. Usually occupancy is between 7 to 8 patients at any point of time. Yeah, because average patient is already terminally ill. There's a medical board which admits the patient, and terminally ill patient, typically the length of stay may not be more than 3 to 4 weeks, sometimes 6 weeks, sometimes 8 weeks. No, we have not taken any government support so far. We are the trust society, which is the Rotary Club of Banjara Hills members, and the trust members have been raising funds from various fundraising programs, as well as other donors and sponsors. Everything, even the food that we give, for example, different patients have different food requirements. Somebody may not be in a position to swallow solid food, so they provide liquid food. So, whether it's a medical care or psychological counseling or food or the basic nursing and room, everything is completely provided to them.